If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified on the next videos which I will post in this channel. The Shibuya Crossing is one of the world's busiest intersections located in Shibuya, Japan, where all vehicles stop to allow pedestrians to cross from all directions at the same time, which makes it a very popular tourist attraction. In this video, we will see how we can go to the Shibuya Crossing using metro train. After our return trip tour from Osaka, which covered the cities of Kyoto and Nagoya, covering a distance of more than 500 kilometers, which is made possible using the Shinkansen bullet train. When we arrived at the Tokyo station, the day was still young. And so, after taking pictures of the Tokyo station, we went to visit the Shibuya Crossing. Before proceeding, we should first search for the trains going to the Shibuya Crossing. One of the tools we can use is Google Map, which is available on Android and iPhones. Using Google Map, we search for Shibuya Crossing. Click on Directions. Since we started from the Tokyo station, we put our starting point at the Tokyo station. We will be using the metro train, and so we choose transit as our mode of transportation. Then we will see a list of possible train routes. We choose the Yamanote line. At this point, we will see the whole train journey from the Tokyo station to the Shibuya station. We start our train journey at the Tokyo station by riding on the Yamanote line train at platform number 5. And so, after taking pictures outside, we went back to the Tokyo station on the Marunouchi North exit. We entered the Tokyo station Marunouchi North exit ticket gates for free by showing our JR pass to the man or woman on the counter at the side of the ticket gates. Without the JR pass, you can use Pasmo or Suica card to enter the ticket gates. Upon entering the ticket gates, we follow the signboard going to platform number 5, which goes to the Yamanote line. At platform number 5, we go up to the first floor, which is the train platform where we ride the train from the Tokyo station to the Shibuya station. After getting down the train at the Shibuya station, we go down towards the south gate. Getting down to the first floor, we exit the south gate ticket gates and get out of the Shibuya station using the west exit. As you are getting out of the Shibuya station, you will pass by a JR ticket office and a locker room.
So where are we now?
We are now at the Shibuya, and we will go around Shibuya.
Okay, let's go.
We are now actually walking towards the Shibuya Crossing. If we just keep on following this road, walking straight ahead, in just a few minutes we will arrive at the Shibuya Crossing. But for now, we will cross the street under the bridge because we want to find a restaurant where we can eat our dinner. You should not be surprised if you see this odd-looking vending machine in a Japanese restaurant. It is actually used for paying and ordering your food. The technique is you first choose your food among the many pictures of the food you can order in the restaurant. Take note of the price of the food and pay the amount on the bills and coins slot. The total amount you paid will be shown. Press the button of your chosen food and your change and food ticket will come out of each tray slot. In case you are wondering, Katsuya Shibuya is the name of this restaurant.
What can you say about Shibuya?
It's very crowded here.
Crowded?
Many people.
It's not cold.
Very cold also.
Very cold.
We have just finished our dinner. That was our dinner today after having toured all the way from Osaka to Kyoto to Nagoya and now here in Tokyo, which is a distance of way too much more than 500 kilometers, which was made possible using the Shinkansen bullet train. This is a small version of the Shibuya Crossing. It almost looks the same, but this is not yet the actual Shibuya Crossing. From here you have to walk straight ahead just a little more to go to the actual Shibuya Crossing.
the Shibuya Crossing.
Here on Shibuya Crossing.
Yeah, crossing.
After the Shibuya Crossing, we went to the Hachiko Statue. The statue honoring a very famous dog remembered for his remarkable loyalty to his owner, whom the dog, even after his death, waited for 9 years at the Shibuya station. Hachiko eventually died in 1935. The 2010 movie Hachi, A Dog's Tale is an Americanized version of the true story of this very famous dog Hachiko. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't worry, be happy and have a very happy trip.